Forget magnesium supplements. Take these two vitamins at night to rebuild muscle overnight. It is a common misconception that simply engaging in daily exercise for an extended period, ensuring adequate protein intake, and consistently taking supplements will guarantee muscle growth, particularly as we age. While these practices are undoubtedly beneficial, there's a crucial piece of the puzzle often overlooked: nighttime supplementation. Many have been led to believe that magnesium supplements are the key to muscle development, but this information is not entirely accurate. In reality, by focusing on specific vitamins taken before bed, you can significantly enhance your muscle-building efforts, experiencing results that surpass the efficacy of magnesium and work far more efficiently. The reason for this lies in a fundamental biological process. Approximately 70% of muscle repair and growth occurs during sleep, with the most critical window of activity falling between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. Understanding this prime time for muscle regeneration is paramount, and strategically choosing what you consume before sleep can make a profound difference. This guide will delve into 2 essential vitamins that should be part of your nighttime routine, explain why they are superior to magnesium for overnight muscle building, and also highlight 3 common supplements that should be strictly avoided in the evening to maximize your recovery and growth potential. The first vital nighttime supplement to consider is vitamin D3. When taken before retiring for the night, vitamin D3 initiates a remarkable cascade of physiological events that support muscle regeneration. As you enter your sleep cycles, the vitamin D levels in your body become instrumental in activating specific receptors within your muscle cells known as VDRs, vitamin D receptors. These VDRs play a critical role in signaling your muscles to enhance their absorption of essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus from the nutrient-rich foods consumed throughout the day. These minerals are not merely passive components. They are actively required for the intricate process of muscle fiber contraction and the subsequent strengthening of muscle tissue. Furthermore, ingesting vitamin D at night provides a powerful signal to your body to increase testosterone production during sleep. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a pivotal role in enabling your muscles to effectively utilize dietary protein, thereby facilitating the synthesis of new muscle tissue while you rest. Without sufficient vitamin D, this crucial nighttime muscle repair mechanism can be significantly hampered, potentially slowing down the process by as much as 60%. Beyond its direct role in growth, vitamin D also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that are particularly beneficial during sleep. By reducing inflammation within muscle tissues, it allows for a more expedited recovery from physical exertion and helps to mitigate the muscle breakdown that often accelerates with age. A typical vitamin D3 supplement capsule contains between 2,000 to 4,000 IU, international units, a dosage that is considerably higher than what most seniors can achieve through sunlight exposure alone, which is often limited. Compelling research from Harvard University, which monitored 400 seniors with diagnosed vitamin D deficiencies over an 8-month period, demonstrated a significant difference in muscle mass gain. Participants who consistently took vitamin D3 supplements daily experienced an average increase of 2.8 pounds of muscle mass, a stark contrast to the mere 0.4 pounds gained by the control group. This effect echoes historical practices, such as the consumption of cod liver oil by ancient Viking warriors during long, sunless winters to sustain their physical prowess. To integrate vitamin D3 effectively into your routine, a simple approach is to take 2,000 to 4,000 IU with your evening meal, provided that meal includes healthy fats, as vitamin D is fat-soluble and absorption is enhanced with food. Alternatively, you can incorporate natural sources of vitamin D into your diet. A 4-ounce portion of grilled salmon seasoned with herbs can provide more vitamin D than many individuals receive in an entire week. Roasting mushrooms with rosemary until they are crisp on the edges and pairing them with mashed sweet potatoes enriched with grass-fed butter further optimizes vitamin D absorption. For an even more integrated approach, consider adding a small amount of cod liver oil to your homemade salad dressing. Its flavor is easily masked, yet its benefits for overnight muscle building are substantial. Concluding your evening meal with a glass of fortified milk can contribute an additional 500 IU of vitamin D, along with the necessary healthy fats, creating an ideal environment for overnight muscle development. While vitamin D3 is exceptionally beneficial, its full potential for muscle growth is unlocked when paired with another crucial nighttime supplement. Taking vitamin D3 in isolation may not yield the desired muscle gains if you are not also consuming this next essential nutrient, as they work synergistically to maximize muscle development. This brings us to the second, arguably the most critical nighttime supplement for muscle building: zinc. During the deep sleep phases, your body naturally releases growth hormones, which are fundamental for muscle repair and growth. However, a critical factor often overlooked is that these anabolic hormones are heavily dependent on zinc to function optimally. Zinc is a vital cofactor for over 300 enzymes involved in the intricate process of muscle tissue rebuilding that takes place throughout the night. When your zinc levels are optimal, these enzymes remain highly active for an extended period, typically between 6 to 8 hours. Conversely, zinc deficiency, which is surprisingly prevalent, affecting up to 40% of seniors worldwide, can dramatically slow down your muscle repair processes during sleep, potentially by as much as 60%. Zinc also plays an indispensable role in facilitating the transport of amino acids directly into your muscle cells while you sleep. These amino acids are the building blocks that are then assembled into new muscle fibers. This is why individuals with adequate zinc levels often wake up feeling less sore and more recovered, whereas those who are deficient experience prolonged muscle aches and a slower healing response. Zinc supplements typically provide a potent dose of 15 to 30 milliliters of highly bioavailable zinc per capsule, which can represent up to 300% of the amount most seniors obtain from their diet alone. The widespread nature of zinc deficiency is alarming, yet many healthcare professionals do not routinely test for it. Low zinc levels are linked to impaired wound healing, reduced testosterone production, and critically, they can hinder your muscles' ability to effectively utilize the protein you consume. This explains why some individuals who diligently consume protein-rich diets still struggle to build muscle. They may be missing this essential mineral. A seminal study conducted at the University of Michigan tracked 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. The results were remarkable. Those who supplemented with 20 milliliters of zinc daily experienced a 34% increase in muscle protein synthesis and a 40% acceleration in recovery from exercise. The researchers uncovered that zinc essentially acts as a genetic switch, activating the pathways that signal your muscles to grow stronger and repair themselves more rapidly. The importance of zinc for healing and strength has been recognized for millennia. Ancient Egyptian physicians utilized zinc-rich remedies over 4,000 years ago to aid in the recovery of warriors' wounds and restore their combat readiness. To ensure optimal zinc absorption and prevent interference with sleep, it is recommended to take your zinc supplement with a full glass of water approximately 2 hours before bedtime. It is imperative to understand that the benefits of taking vitamin D3 and zinc at night can be completely negated and even reversed by the consumption of certain other supplements. In fact, pairing these muscle-building vitamins with the following 3 supplements, especially in the evening, can be detrimental to your recovery and muscle growth goals, potentially forming a harmful combination within your body. Most individuals, particularly seniors, are unaware that they are inadvertently sabotaging their own muscle-building efforts by ingesting these seemingly harmless vitamins at night. After meticulously reviewing numerous nutritional studies, treating thousands of patients experiencing muscle loss, and consulting with leading researchers in the field of muscle preservation, 3 key vitamins have been identified that seniors must absolutely avoid at night if they wish to maximize muscle building and maintenance. The first supplement that should be strictly avoided at night when aiming to build or preserve muscle is the B-complex vitamin. This recommendation might initially seem counterintuitive, given that B vitamins are widely recognized for their roles in boosting energy, supporting nerve function, and aiding metabolism. Many seniors incorporate them into their daily routine, believing they are combating fatigue. However, the critical issue arises from the timing of their intake. When consumed in the evening, B-complex vitamins can actively work against your muscle-building objectives. These vitamins, which include potent nutrients like B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin, are known for their ability to stimulate the nervous system. They can accelerate metabolism, slightly elevate heart rate, and increase alertness. While these effects are beneficial during the morning or early afternoon, providing the energy needed for daily activities, their impact at night is entirely counterproductive. Muscles are not built solely in the gym or during meals. The most significant period for muscle growth and repair is during deep sleep. This is the time when the body releases growth hormone, repairs damaged muscle fibers, and converts dietary protein into new lean muscle tissue. However, if your nervous system remains stimulated by B-complex vitamins, you will likely experience a reduction in the amount of time spent in slow-wave sleep, the critical phase for muscle recovery. A comprehensive review published in Sleep Medicine in 2019 examined the effects of late-evening B vitamin consumption in older adults. The findings were striking. Seniors who took B-complex supplements in the evening demonstrated significantly reduced melatonin production, experienced delays in the onset of deep sleep, and spent considerably less time in restorative slow-wave sleep cycles. In essence, their bodies were deprived of the very window of opportunity during which muscles are designed to grow. Furthermore, elevated B vitamin stimulation at night can also lead to an increase in cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. Elevated cortisol not only interferes with sleep onset, but also actively breaks down muscle proteins for energy. For seniors already contending with age-related muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia, this can exacerbate weakness, frailty, and a decline in independence. An illustrative case is Margaret, an 87-year-old patient who, despite diligently exercising and consuming bone broth and protein shakes, was experiencing a loss of strength rather than muscle gain. Upon further investigation, it was discovered that she was taking her B-complex supplement immediately after dinner. Within a week of switching her B-complex intake to the morning, Margaret reported improved sleep quality. 3 weeks later, she had regained 2 pounds of lean muscle and felt stronger than she had in years. The overarching lesson is clear. To enable your body to build muscle effectively, you must provide it with the opportunity to recover. This means avoiding B-complex supplements after late afternoon and taking them with breakfast to fuel your day, allowing your nights to be dedicated to deep repair. The second vitamin that should be avoided at night for muscle-building purposes is vitamin C. While vitamin C is widely lauded for its immune-boosting, skin health, and wound-healing properties, its timing is crucial when it comes to muscle development and preservation. Consuming vitamin C at night, especially close to bedtime, can inadvertently disrupt your body's natural repair cycle. Vitamin C functions as a potent antioxidant. While this might seem universally beneficial, paradoxically, your muscles actually require a degree of oxidative stress at night to initiate the recovery process. This mild stress is the trigger for the release of growth hormone and the activation of repair pathways necessary for rebuilding muscle fibers damaged during the day. However, when you introduce a high dose of vitamin C into your system at this critical time, you blunt this essential signal, effectively shutting down muscle protein synthesis when it should be at its peak. Studies involving older adults have indicated that a high intake of antioxidants before bed can diminish the body's capacity to activate mTOR signaling, a key pathway that muscles utilize to absorb amino acids and enhance strength. In simpler terms, your muscles are not receiving the necessary signals to repair themselves. Compounding this issue, vitamin C possesses mild stimulating properties. It can contribute to the production of norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that promotes alertness. Seniors who take vitamin C at night often report difficulty falling asleep and experiencing restless nights, leading to reduced time spent in slow-wave sleep. This is particularly problematic, as slow-wave sleep is the period during which the body naturally releases growth hormone and repairs tissues. Without sufficient deep sleep, the collagen proteins and amino acids from your diet are unable to perform their crucial restorative functions. Consider the case of Harold, a 79-year-old retired teacher who was perplexed by his increasing weakness despite daily consumption of bone broth and light weight training. He was taking 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C every night with his dinner, believing it would accelerate healing. Upon shifting his vitamin C intake to the morning, Harold experienced improved sleep, reduced soreness, and within a month, regained muscle strength that he had thought was lost permanently. The takeaway is straightforward. Vitamin C is a valuable nutrient, but its timing is paramount. If your goal is to build muscle and maintain independence, it is best to consume vitamin C in the morning. This allows your body to leverage its natural nighttime repair cycle as intended. If the recommendations to avoid B complex and vitamin C at night came as a surprise, the third supplement to be discussed will likely be even more so. The third and final supplement that should be strictly avoided at night if you aim to build muscle is caffeine. While many seniors associate caffeine with their morning coffee or tea, it is also a common ingredient lurking in supplements, pre-workout formulas, and even some energy-boosting multivitamins. Although a moderate amount of caffeine consumed early in the day can enhance focus and circulation, its ingestion in the evening represents one of the most rapid ways to derail your muscle recovery efforts. The mechanism behind this is that caffeine stimulates your central nervous system and elevates cortisol levels, the body's stress hormone. While this might provide a temporary surge of energy, its impact on your nighttime recovery is significantly detrimental. Elevated cortisol levels directly interfere with muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body converts dietary protein and collagen into new muscle fibers. Even more concerning, caffeine blocks adenosine receptors in your brain. Adenosine is a naturally occurring compound that signals your body it is time to rest. When these receptors are blocked, you struggle to initiate sleep. And even if you eventually fall asleep, your deep sleep cycles are considerably shortened. This is disastrous for seniors, as deep sleep is when growth hormone production peaks and the actual process of muscle repair takes place. A study published in Nutritional Neuroscience in 2020 followed 160 older adults for 10 weeks. Participants who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle mass compared to their caffeine-free counterparts, even when dietary protein intake was consistent across both groups. The researchers concluded that the disrupted sleep caused by caffeine intake led to lower growth hormone release, which directly translated into diminished muscle strength. This was evident in the case of Gloria, an 81-year-old retired nurse who, despite diligently consuming evening collagen broth and exercising regularly, was not experiencing muscle gains. Upon reviewing her routine, it was discovered that she was also taking a nighttime fat burner supplement that contained a significant dose of hidden caffeine. Once she discontinued this supplement, Gloria reported a dramatic improvement in her sleep quality. Within a month, she felt stronger, and her hand grip strength test results showed a 19% improvement. In conclusion, caffeine itself is not inherently harmful, but its timing is absolutely critical. If you want your collagen and protein to effectively rebuild muscle, all caffeine consumption should be strictly limited to the morning hours. This means no coffee, no tea, and certainly no caffeinated supplements after lunch. It is essential to identify which of these vitamins you may have been unknowingly consuming at night. Please share your experiences in the comments below. Every comment is read and appreciated. For those who are genuinely committed to building the strong muscles you deserve at your age, a specialized 30-day muscle recovery meal plan has been developed. This plan features over 90 high-protein meals and collagen-rich recipes specifically designed to maximize muscle growth. Each recipe is carefully formulated to exclude vitamins that are unnecessary or detrimental to muscle building, as previously discussed, and includes precise timing strategies to optimize vitamin absorption. The link to this comprehensive meal plan can be found in the pinned comment or the description below. Furthermore, an even more exciting revelation is scheduled for tomorrow, a secret that will fundamentally alter your perception of building leg strength. This technique has been clinically proven to enhance muscle activation by 34% without any exercise whatsoever. To ensure you are among the first to receive this groundbreaking information, subscribe to the channel now. Missing tomorrow's video would be a significant oversight, as this leg strength secret is guaranteed to be astonishing and unlike anything you have encountered before. See you soon.